Very good morning. I'm Lucano. You're watching Mundobitcoin with the pre-market analysis for today, the 25th of September 2013. You're watching the 60-minute chart, and before we go into the entire general analysis, I want to show you the situation that we believe is generating a very interesting situation towards new highs or new prices in order to see the macro tendency going towards these particular areas, even over 140. Now, as you can see, this is the 60-minute chart. We have a particular situation in this area. This area is something that it basically generates the signs that we're going to share with all of you. This particular area, as you can see, is very hard to read because of how erratic the price is so far for the entire consolidation. However, this particular situation was a lower high failure or a breakdown failure that it normally happens when the price is in complete balance. We see an imbalance at this point, and it's basically this particular formation didn't manage to develop 100%. However, instead of that, what we actually saw was the fact that the uptrend deny with two candlesticks, and actually three candlesticks, they deny this entire consolidation that you see here. All these candlesticks were denying with only three candlesticks. That's a very important sign that we need to take into consideration. And those three green candlesticks should be an entire long range candlestick in the major time frame, at this point 240-minute chart. And then we told you guys early morning yesterday, if we break through the 135, the next higher low in the 60-minute chart could be the first signal to go upwards and look for higher prices. And this is what happened at this point. It was under the SMA 200. You see the higher low here, and then we break through, and now we are using the SMA 200 as a main support at this point. And as far as I'm concerned, the 4-hour chart, the 240-minute chart, is still showing potential situations that allow us to believe that it's a possible visit to 140-minute, which is the main the $140 price, could be the main target for this particular movement. Look at what's happening here. We have a retracement now after this uptrend, very strong, very good long range candlesticks right at the end, but the most important one was this one. This sign is very important to us, and it shows that this consolidation could be part of the past and part of the market history, the memory of the market. And if everything goes in the way that we normally see it as a technical analyst, it's possible that the next higher low in here could give us a new entrance to go up and visit 140 mark, and maybe even a little bit higher than that. We start seeing more volume coming in. We start seeing more buyers in control of the price. And one last thing that I want to share with you guys is the three-day chart from Clark Moody. This is one of the most important charts for us as well. It's because obviously every candlestick is 3 days of market, and as you can see, this higher low is already active, and it seems like it's going into the right direction based on the analysis. The next target for this movement, it should be 142 mark. This is basically what we can see. We already have new major prices compared to the previous candlestick. Let's see if this candlestick managed to follow the trend and a possible visit to 142 mark. It's on the table. I'm Lucano. You're watching Mundobitcoin. Have a great day trading. See you around. Goodbye.